every officer pretty much uniform was wearing body worn camera at this point, especially on roadside stops. So I'd say everything's on video. That's what I expect when someone comes in and meets with me. What I will say is I absolutely agree with you. Why do people do them? I think people want to comply. The officers don't exactly tell you don't have to do them. The way that they ask is the same way that they ask to search your vehicles. I'll start with that. Anything in here illegal, that I should know about? No. That's what everyone says, no, right? Because the answer is always no. And then the officer says, well, you wouldn't mind if I looked then, right? Now, if you say, yeah, I would mind if you looked, you're someone who knows your rights. That's not going to hurt you. But most people default to, no, I don't mind if you look. And that's how they get inside your vehicle. It's the same way with field sobriety. Yeah, you have an athlete drug, you're safe to drive, right? So you don't mind going through a few tests with me over here in front of my vehicle. Just make sure you're safe to drive. Sometimes they say, we're just going to do field sobriety. And they don't tell you, hey, would you like to do these tests to incriminate yourself? Because you can say no, and I can't do anything about it. If they told you that, everyone would say no.
Yeah.
So I think it's in the way it's framed. Voluntary searches operate in this gray area of the law where a person should really know their rights. The Constitution applies to all of us. Most people don't, and most people comply.